How to add autoplay video on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can add a video and make it on autoplay mode, and also how we can add the loop effect or the loop play-in on the video itself. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over squarespace.com. Then go ahead and sign in for your account. After you have signed into your account, you're going to visit here the account dashboard. A little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses and accounts, are created for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So here we are on the Squarespace admin dashboard. As you can see, we have a list and also the websites that we have created. If you didn't or you don't have a website yet, you're going to create a website by clicking on create. So you're going right here to choose one of the templates and commence creating your website. In my case, I have already a website, so I'm going to select it. Now, we have selected the specific website and we have it right away. So, the first thing that you need to do right here after you have added or you have selected your website, you're going to select this next step the page that you are going to add the video to it. If you are going to add a presentation video to your website, you're going to put it obviously on the home page. In my case, we have this page considered as home page. So we are going to click on edit. Boom, here we have it. So now let's say that I want to add it here on this specific area, but I want to add it to the middle. So I'm going to click on add section. Then I am going to click on add blank section. So this blank section will not take a place for the first section, which is the presentation here or the introduction page. So we are going to add here a section which is empty or blank. Now, let's head over to the placement of the video. In my case, I don't have a video, but I am going to download a video from Pixabay. Why Pixabay, you may ask? Because Pixabay is going to be our source for loyalty-free videos. So I'm going to select videos. Then let's go ahead and choose one of these videos. I'm going to use only one of the videos. Then we are going to download it as small as possible. So I'm going to download this here. I'm going to wait for the download to be completed. Here we are going to wait for the download. Then after that, we're going to upload our video to our section in Squarespace. So right here, we are back to our section. Now, all we need to do is to add a block specific for this in the video. So we are going to click on add block. Then we are going to search here between these blocks here for a video block. We are going to select it. Now we are going to place it to the middle. So now we are going to double tap on it. And here we are going to add a video. So in my case, I have already uploaded that video because it took me a while to upload it to the library. You can go ahead and click on upload, then you are going to upload your video right here. But in my case, I will go ahead and click on select from library. So here we have the video. I'm going to select it. Then we are going to click on add. It will be added in the video. Now we are going to make that section a little bit wider. So we are going to get the full image or the full video like that. So make sure to put it here to the middle, or if you want to make it a little case like that, doesn't matter. So I'm going to make it like this. Now, the most important part is to double tap again. Now we are going to here scroll down a little bit. We are going to see here the multiple options that we have. You can custom featured an image. You can add an image to put it as featured. You can also mute the video. And here we have the autoplay. But the autoplay mode is going to be available only if you are going to mute that video. Because the autoplay here is going to be enabled, so the video will be muted so that the user experience will not be bothered with that video. So this case is only set for the non noisal videos. For example, you are going to put this video as a background or just a presentation with some words. So you are going to put it like this. If you are going to deactivate or disable the mute, you are not going to get the help of the autoplay. And for the loop plane mode, you're going to enable that. So the video, when the video finishes, it will be replaying the video again. So you can go ahead and set the player controls. You can put them here all minimum, or you can remove them. So the controls will not be set. So the users cannot here pause the video, advance it, or preview it. It is here controllable. You can also add a description for that specific video by typing something right here and about a presentation. For example, this is a presentation about our here website, for example. So we are going to put this and boom, here we have it. Now this is very simple and very effective. When you finish all of these steps, you can go ahead and let the video free. Here, remember that you have only 30-minute on video storage on Squarespace. So you can go ahead and add this video to another section, or you can put it right here to the first section, which is this one. For example, you're going to put ahead this specific text section like that. You can go ahead and put it or make it a little bit smaller. So like this. I don't know if we can do this here to the same place. Make it maybe a little bit smaller. So we are going to try to make it adjustable. So here we have it. Let's go ahead and add from the library. I'm going to add it right there. Go ahead and add it like this. Boom. Don't forget to add the same effect, which is the mute video, autoplay, and loop. And here we have the video. So we are going to see it right away. Now, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.